What's up everyone, welcome back to yet another video on the channel. Today we are doing some pretty cool things. First off, what we're doing, I finally got the roof trim that I needed. So it's currently wrapped up, kind of like a Christmas present, but we are going to take it out of the packaging and install it. So finally the car is actually going to look finished. We also got spacers, which is the title of this video, you already know that. So we're going to install the trim first. UPS has yet to deliver the spacers, so I'm going to install the roof trim and charge a battery for this camera, and then we can install the spacers. So let's go ahead and get this roof trim open up. There it goes. Alright, so I'm not sure which side this is for. I think this should pretty much match up, which it does. It does, which of course, I mean, it's a genuine Subaru part. I would expect it to match up. So it should actually be very easy to do. Just clip it in kind of like this and just go along the car. There we go. Super easy. We're gonna do the other side now, so let's get to that. Done. Alright, so here is the finished product. Finally, we got trim. Yes, I have covered the holes. Don't worry about that. Interior is not going to be all leaky and crap. Definitely completes the look of the car, and yeah, looks super cool. So finally, the roof rail delete is done. Now I got trash on the floor, but that's okay. I mean, you know, there's kind of trash everywhere. I don't think it really matters. Now I gotta wait for UPS. Hopefully they deliver stuff to me today. Otherwise, I'm gonna be really mad. Just kidding. I gotta go charge the battery for this camera though, so I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so it's around 17:59 right now, and UPS just delivered the package. There they are. So in case you didn't know, these are pretty much the exact same spacers I had bought for the Corolla, only these are 22 millimeters, whereas the Corolla has 25 millimeter spacers. So we're gonna go ahead, unbox these. Pretty easy. So I'm able to go with spacers that don't completely cover the threads, and this is because the wheels I have on the Subaru have little indentations, so whatever kind of pokes out. So if we have this, you can see this kind of pokes out. This I don't have to cut away or anything because the wheels have indentations where this won't affect the wheel or damage the wheel or anything. Also, I didn't tell you guys, but I actually lowered the car more too, so I have less ground clearance, which is probably bad for where I live. We got a pretty nice wheel gap. It's about 1 finger of wheel gap, so not too bad. The rear has a bit more, of course, because this tire's tucked in. This is kind of why I'm getting spacers in the first place. Yeah, I could have gotten bigger wheels, but I kind of got these flares to fit the bigger wheels because these don't fit in the stock body. Honestly, I think this is probably good fitment. I'm gonna spray on some WD-40 for the rust. 22 millimeters definitely was the right way to go. Yep, that's looking pretty good. I'm quite happy with it though. I think it does look pretty good. I will have to lower it a bit more though, but that shouldn't be a problem. Now, we just gotta do the other side. I can't tell if you can hear me or not though, because it is quite windy. But yeah, we're gonna install the spacers on this side now. Finally fixed the fitment. Wait, nope. Almost made a really bad mistake. I caught myself though, so it's good. That would have been really bad if I actually forgot to torque these down. Oh, we're good. Alright, and that's also done back here. Pokes out slightly, barely. So, still legal, still functional. I know you're thinking, why didn't you install spacers in the front? Since the front fitment isn't the best either, and you know what? You are right. However, after I installed the STI canards, the tire has been hitting this. If I space it out more, it's gonna hit this a lot more. If I'm really unlucky, it could cause a bit of damage. Right now it's just lightly scraping, so it's nothing big to worry about. But yeah, I would say that is a success. We installed the spacers, we got the new roof trim, which is super cool. I'm gonna have to get used to that fitment from here. It looks kind of weird from looking at it at this angle, in my opinion at least. But from the back it does look quite aggressive. So yeah, there's that. Pretty much it for this video. I'm just gonna wrap it up by having a look at the car from the outside. This feels monster truckish over here. I mean, gee, it does. I need to lower it a bit more. So that is going to be it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, go ahead, leave a like, comment below, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. We've got some more like cool things coming to the channel. It's going to be pretty sick. God, it's such a sick car though. I mean, it's a rust bucket, but I mean, like, it looks cool. It's a cool rust bucket. Also, leave me some questions in the comments, because I do want to do a Q&A at some point, but I have no questions to answer. So it can be anything. It can be car related, it can be like life related, anything like that is cool. But if I get no comments, I'm gonna be kind of sad. This video's dragged on for far too long. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.